Aerobic Capacity for 4th Grade by Elizabeth Palomares, Amy Soto, and Frankie Fierro. Aerobic capacity. The definition of aerobic capacity is a measure of the ability of the heart and lungs to get oxygen to the muscles. An example of aerobic capacity is the body's ability to take in and use oxygen to improve aerobic performance. There are many activities that help improve aerobic capacity. The activities that we have chosen as a group are jumping rope and dancing. Aerobic dance. Dance is a great way to improve aerobic capacity. Dancing helps to build stamina. The dance that was put together incorporates fitness-related moves. Dance is a great cardiovascular exercise and has been shown to reduce stress while increasing endurance. The first step of the dance is marching in place. Students will then do side steps, followed by kicks and knee lifts. Finally, students will do shoulder rolls and wide arm claps. This should be easy and straightforward for students to master. Aerobic exercise is a type of physical activity that uses your large muscle groups, is rhythmic in nature, and can be sustained for at least 10 minutes. Jumping rope. Jumping rope can raise your heart rate 2 to 3 times faster than other exercise and offer the same aerobic building benefits as running with less impact on the joints. Students start with their hands in a ready position. They will grip the handles loosely with their fingers. Next, students will practice a toe catch. Students will practice their jump so they can obtain their rhythm. Finally, after getting comfortable, students will jump with the rope. Students will jump for 10 seconds with a 3-second break. There are a variety of aerobic exercises that can be done with everyday tasks. Jumping rope and dancing seem like the most fun. The first thought of aerobic activity is running. Our group obtained important knowledge regarding the benefits of jumping rope. One major benefit is hand and eye coordination. When preparing these activities, a great deal of thought and preparation must be included. California State Standards for Physical Education. Identify 2 characteristics of physical activity and build aerobic capacity. Determine the intensity of personal physical activity by using concepts of perceived exertion.